Compadre, life is so beautiful, you know. Money is not a problem. Girls are not a problem. House is not a problem, pare. Guess what? I just bought this place. Do you like it?
I like it.
You like it, compadre? Give me a hug. You know, my business transaction in Singapore went well, you know. All my shabu industry and my tobacco industry are doing well.
Pare, be careful. Anything you say can and will be used against you.
Oh, I forgot you're an attorney.
Compadre.
Muchas gracias. Martini. Martini. You know what? I plan to give this property to my to a good friend of mine who just got married, huh? Who just got married today. All this property, compadre, as far as your eyes can see, these are mine. Check out your
Want
entails.
some more martini, sir?
Please,
It's fine, it's
please.
fine.
Han.
I'll call you later, okay?
Okay. Opo, kuya.
Let's toast for our new business venture.
Life is good.
Life is good, life is beautiful.
Life is bubbly.
And smooth.
Smooth.
Smooth, you know.
He is so good. Sino?
Where's Attorney Kim? Compadre, what's wrong? Oh, our transaction in China was cancelled, huh? It's fine.
You still have a papa.
I still have a lot of money to spend, you know.
Compadre. Ang dami nung sa akin to.
Oh, compadre, what's that? Soft drinks? Give me. Give me martini.
Okay,
Oh, my
you
God.
offer a toast to each other for your business.
Please meet us in the study.
Okay, thank you for dropping by in my newly acquired property. I'll see you soon, and life is beautiful. Thank you. Bye.